I'm Riley from Echidna Sewing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to thread your F540E. Threading your machine is the first step to using your machine, and it is super easy to do. Start by making sure your needle is in the highest position possible and your presser foot is raised. You will see that your machine has numbers at every step to guide you when threading. You simply need to follow the numbers to thread your machine. Place your desired spool of thread onto the spool pin, followed by the spool cap. Note that if you're using the Hemingworth thread with the plastic thread cap, you don't need to put the spool cap on afterwards. Grab the end of the thread, bring it down through step 1 and loop it underneath the holder and up to step 2. Bring the thread to the left and down to step 3, underneath the holder again and up to step 4. Now, here it is imperative that the thread is successfully hooked into the take-up lever, otherwise the machine will not stitch correctly and cause issues. Bring the thread from right to left and back down to step 5. From here, grab the thread with 2 hands and slot it into the bar at step 6. Then bring the thread through the holder at 7 and cut the end off at 8. Finally, to thread the eye of the needle, make sure your presser foot is lowered and use the auto threader at step 9 by firmly pressing down on the lever. Make sure you press down as straight as possible. And that's how easy it is to thread your F540E. If you want to know more, make sure to check out our other videos on the F540E. Happy embroidering!